Oh.
Different riding of this here.
I always feel like I'm gonna fall on the controls.
Hey?
I feel like I'm gonna fall on the controls every time.
You're right.
Okay.
You're right. You're hanging on to the wall here, so you'll be right.
This is quite quiet in here. The carriage's like.
You go in the number 1 end, it's real noisy in there because you're right beside the engine.
Oh, so that's where the engine is.
Yeah. Well,
This is very quiet.
when we come down, I'll take you and I'll show you the engine.
Okay.
You want to have a look at it? So, you like trains, do you?
Yeah, I love trains. Do you think I could blow the horn at some points, or?
It's a bit awkward because it's in my foot.
Yeah.
Right on. That's the horn there, so I'll tell you when to. I'll put my leg out of the road. I'll tell you we'll get a bit further down.
Oh my, this is very awkward.
Yeah, you're right. You hang on to the brake handle there.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
You won't, don't move it, but you'll hang on. You'll be right.
Oh.
It's quite downhill here too. So it's not much, but it is. So.
What's your name?
Mike,
I'm Charlie.
you're Charlie. Oh, okay. You go to the Ocean Beach Railway, do you?
Not really, because I can't find any open days to go to.
Okay, yeah. Been on the Dunedin Railways on the trip?
I've been on the Tyree Gorge like 4 times.
Yeah.
And then up to Timaru on the Pleasant Point and
okay.
a bunch of cab rides.
Yeah. We'll get past that photographer because we might give him a fright. So we're not going to do that. Okay, you just put your foot on the pedal. That's it.
Wow! Love it. Perfect diesel horn.
Yeah, we get the new diesels out here, like 2 of them are coming out for trials next year.
Which ones?
DMs.
DM?
Yeah. They're going to replace all the DXs and DCs.
Okay.
They're going to replace all the DXs and DCs.
Wow.
Where the Dunedin Railway is, the rail trailers, I've been right through on that on
The Tyree Gorge.
yeah, right through to
A lot of
Cromwell. Right
controversy.
through to Cromwell. That's the one.
Nobody
Yeah.
wants the rail trail on the Tyree Gorge.
No, well the rail trail wasn't there then. The train ran right through there.
Oh.
To go right through to Clyde, or Cromwell
Looks
originally,
like-
then they flooded that and they made them pull the terminus back to
Oh,
Clyde. Yeah.
the floods,
If you hadn't Clyde, the turntable's still there and tried to turn the engines on. Where the Department of Conservation is. I just I was through there about a week and a half ago. Yeah. I've just got to wait to see if they've got changing the engines round up here to put the K on the train. Just see if they're finished. They should be, but you've just got to go on pretty slow. So.
should I give a horn at them?
Give them blood.
Ow. One of its taillights is broken. Washington. Oh, wow.
Give the horse, just give it one long blow, don't give it two. Yeah. Because when you do it two split, that means you're going backwards.
Oh, yeah. Like, I'm possibly going to have a cab ride in that.
Oh, are you? Oh, okay.
I've never been in the K.